Hey, yo! Man, listen.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
The tough part is doing the thing when you don't want to do the thing, man. It's been a long day, and according to my standards, you know what I'm saying? I ain't do nothing. I ain't do no Ubers. I ain't you know what I'm saying? But it was a lot of like, you know what I'm saying? The back end work, right? Like the difference between the actor and the director. You don't necessarily know what the director is doing until you see the movie. You like, I don't know. You told him there, you told him go there, you told the camera move there. Like you know what I'm saying? Now I want to see Denzel. You know what I'm talking about? But both jobs got to be done, and it's realizing that, you know, as you evolve, that you sometimes you're gonna be, you know what I'm saying, on the front line and do the thing and make the money and and then other times you're gonna be fortifying your infrastructure. You're gonna be making sure, oh, okay, this got to get done, this got to get done. And you don't necessarily have like a high ROI. Like a lot of times we trade in actions and activity for, you know, a certain dollar per hour. So we like, you know, we trade an hour, we know we're gonna get the 26 boy, the 25 boy, the, you know, the 30 boy. You know what I'm saying? You got one of them, you know what I'm talking about? You got the overtime, you got a little pension, or, you know what I'm saying? You gonna get the 30 ball. But you know, if you clean up, right? You fix something, you know what I'm saying? Put something together. There's not necessarily a ROI, a high ROI on that, especially from the, you know, from the outside world. So it's finding your combination and reminding yourself it's okay to do both, and then making sure that you are strategic in what you're doing and how you moving. You got to make sure, man, listen, I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what y'all gotta do. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Let's change that up a little bit. I gotta, right, make sure that we don't necessarily have these same, you know what I'm saying? 2024's concerns ain't the same as 2025's concerns. It was I'm about done with these concerns. I'm tired of them. I ain't gonna hold y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I'm tired of them same concerns, you know what I'm saying, of the same types of calls. And boy, I tell you, look, I've been calling this little other I don't know what to call it, gig, a job, I don't know what to call it, this other little situation, you know what I'm saying, this we gonna call it you know what I'm saying, we gonna call it and financial entanglement, that's what we gonna call it. But man, I've been calling these people for like 3 weeks strong, man. You know what I'm saying? Did the thing, filled out the information, the paperwork, all the stuff, for, you know, for them to be like, hey, look, the person that's doing it right now, they ain't Cybertruck. The person that's doing it right now ain't necessarily done doing it. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna wait for them to get done. Like, man, listen, man. Listen. You got them. They said they on the way out. You know what I'm saying? You got me. I'm on the way in. What you do when you got a new rookie? You know what I'm talking about? You gotta give us a play time. You gotta give us playing time, man. You know what I'm saying? They ain't draft goddamn Mike and LeBron and Kobe and not put them in the game a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta put me all the way in the game, coach. Put me in the game a little bit. Be like, all right, well, look, I'll tell you what. You going out, he can do half, you can do half. You know what I'm saying? Let me get half a dog's money. You know what I'm talking about? I just want a little bit. I'm talking about, give me a taste of dog's little, a taste of his little earnings, man. He said he done. He trying to move on anyway. But then mixing that with, you know, taking the your necessary signs from the Lord, and understanding that, you know, it ain't always time to do what you feel like it's time to do. So, you know what I'm saying? God be like, hey, look, sit down, be patient, calm down. You know what I'm talking about? Calm down. It ain't. You be all right. You know what I'm saying? You be all right. Chill out. I want to chill out. I want to do the thing. I want to do the thing. I want to, you know what I'm saying? I want to, chilling out don't feel good. You feel like, you know what I'm saying, I ain't getting closer to whatever the illustrious goal that you got in your mind is, right? You like, man, I ain't getting closer to it. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna be here, and then you know what I'm saying? And then God's like, no. Listen, I'm wait. You know what I'm saying? You gotta wait for the door to open up. You know what I'm saying? Look, you gonna mess around going prematurely. It ain't gonna be your time, and you gonna get your butt out prematurely. You know what I'm saying? When if you waited, you could have stayed. So it's, you know, trying to make sure you know what I'm saying, you take all of the signs and you listen and be diligent and all of that good stuff. But it's difficult. It is hard. You know what I'm saying? What about y'all? You know what I'm talking about? What's going on with y'all in 2025? You know what I'm saying? We a couple days in already, man. You know what I'm saying? You supposed to have some motion going on, right? You know, what's up with y'all, man? What y'all got going? Y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna take over anything, build anything, lose something, gain something? You know what I'm talking about? Flip something, dip something. You know what I'm saying? How y'all doing it? Really need to go this way. Really need to go that way, man.